Now let's go to this this section here, which Bhagavan then talks about Dhanam. And here, this is another important aspect of our life and living. Now, gift doesn't really mean, just giving somebody money or giving a gift of some kind, physical gift. Gift is really about gifting yourself in whatever way you can for the sake of the other. Whether you're gifting time, you're gifting your talent and your skill, whether you're gifting your wealth, whatever you're gifting. See, this is a complete orientation towards the world in a very sattvic way, is that it is done as not as a kind of transactional thing that I'm going to give this person so that that person can give me another gift in return. It's not about that. It's about this is my dharma. This is what I ought to be doing, is that whatever I have in this life, in this world, which I which is mine, and who I am in terms of my skills and talents and gifts, I am offering this to the world in a fit time and place and worthy of the person to whom I am giving it without any expectation in return. And if you think about the life of Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananji, his whole life was a gift to humanity. Think about a life which is dedicated to gifting it to the whole of humanity and saying, here's my gift to you. Enjoy it because you are worthy people and this is worthy of you. And I don't expect anything in return. I don't want anything in return. Whatever I'm giving you is for your benefit. And in Puja Gurudev's life, right up to the last breath, every breath was a teaching. It was a gift to all of us. And that is why we are sitting here discussing about Bhagavad Gita, because he brought it to us in this wonderful way. The commentaries he has written in all the Upanishads, in the Bhagavad Gita, he has given us such a gift, completely without any expectation. So gift doesn't mean just giving, some laddus to somebody. It means the gift is a much wider way of thinking about this gift, dhanam. And that gift which is given with a view to receiving something in return or looking for fruit again or given reluctantly. Should I not? Is this person really worth giving this gift to? This becomes the rajasic way of doing the dhanam. So why? Because this rajasic person is holding things back. He wants to have things for himself or herself and keep it. And we know people who are very miserly. They don't give anything out of themselves. Even to give time, a bit of time to somebody becomes a headache for them. And to give something of a physical nature also, should I not give? And even if he has to give, he gives, in this kind of reluctant manner and hoping that he is going to get something back. So this is the Rajasic way of gifting. And then the last one, which is the tamasic one, which says wrong time, wrong place, unworthy person, without respect or with insult. Here, somebody is thrown something at them and say, get lost. And without any kind of respect, no respect. Even giving the gift, this person can insult the other person. So you can see the different ways of giving present as a gift of yourself, of your talents, of your skills, of your resources, of your material wealth, even gifting to the world in the best way possible, which is the sattvic way. So when you give something, even if it is speech which you are kind of giving, knowledge which you're giving, giving guidance, giving advice. Do it in a sattvic manner because this is the gift to the other person. And if it is done in the right way, it then purifies your mind. It takes you towards your spiritual destination.